Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my subby and you're watching, thank you for watching. So on today's topic, we're basically going to talk about Una lady who is accusing Fifi Cooper, a whole Fifi Cooper, that she stole her phone. So on this video, she's basically explaining how it happened. She said she's just suspecting, but accusing and suspecting, it's not the same thing. Haibo, it's the same thing. So, hey guys, listen to what she's basically saying. How that lady, how Fifi Cooper took a phone. But
Mina kayizini bengisetoilet ne mangise okay ngingene noNthabsengi mangena noNthabsengi ngishooting ngithathe iy'thombe ngefoni yami naye yabo, and then aphume and then ngisale etoilet. Mangisala etoilet kube khona usisi yabo, kube khona usisi afuna ukushutha nami yabo. Okay, sishuthe ifoni yami besakhona. Okay, ngingene etoilet ngiphume nefoni yami isakhona. I don't clearly remember ukuthi ngifake ephaketheni or ngibekile while ngiwash izandla. Between those two, yabo. Okay, ingene iseleb, yabo. Mayingene iseleb angifuni ukusho igama lomuntu because I'm not sure. But ingene iseleb. Malingene iseleb afike etoilet and then aze eduze kwami. Mayeze eduze kwami angazi noma ifoni uyikhiphile or ifoni uyithathile. Mangena, okay, mayingena afike eduze kwami angimjwayele nje. Yabo. Mangena Naledi, my baby, we see you, you're doing great. And then magaphuma uphuma kanje, like akaphumi kanje isicapha, like akaphumi like isicapha nje asiqonde kanje, uphuma uyahlehla. Naledi, we see you, yabo, yonke leyo nto leyo. Luckily benginomuntu engilindile emnyango, my manager uDK bekangilindile emnyango. Mengilindile, the girl went straight to the door. Akaphindanga aya kwi-event. She just went straight to the door. Waphuma. Yabo, wahamba. Yabo, angengilishi igama lakhe but yeah, uphumile yena wahamba, like wahamba kwi-event, waphuma kwi-building eSandton. Wahamba because it says i-tracker ifoni yasho ukuthi 7 minutes ago uphumile lo muntu, kwavela odiscam abangaphandle. And then masifika la endlini ebusuku because sivele sahamba sangaqhubeka nje, sivele sahamba. Masifika la sithi siyayi-tracker, ithi se-Alexandra. Okay, and then sazama ke ukuphuma la endlini siye khona, sa-check i-location. And then sathi ngesikwazi ukuthi siye emzini womuntu siyonokha because izobe ngathi yabo siyamhlasela or something, asiqale police station. And then police station bafuna izinto eziningi, and then we couldn't go siye kuloya muzi loya yabo, sayeka kanjalo ke. But ngiyamsola lo sisi lo, ngiyamsola ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukusho igama lakhe, but awukwazi like iqondanile yonke into. Wena ifoni sayi-track 7 minutes ago, wena usuhambile, wena usukephi. Mina nje shuthi ngithengele i-celebrity iPhone 12. Siyakubongela sisi wami, you've won yourself an iPhone 12. Not iPhone 12, iPhone 16. Siyakubongela kakhulu.